Cardano for the most part is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that has a current worth of 36 cents and a market capitalization of $12670727984. Digital currencies have pretty lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate. Some huge speculation banks even gain Cardano and kind of other digital currencies as a group to sort of safeguard their resources under administration against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ADA market that explicitly depend on the readings of our extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that by and large assists us with measuring the market feeling and truly expect where and with the market plans to go in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, the cost of Cardano is 36 cents, while the coin presently sort of ends up at 7th spot in the general positioning, in spite of mainstream thinking. The said exceptionally positioning generally is assessed based on the resource's current value that really is increased by its kind of current market capitalization, an equation that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients by and large get the most important information in regards to the presentation of advanced asset in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an unobtrusive manner. On May 15th, the cost of Cardano was at 37 cents toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 3.14%. 7 days prior, on May 9th, ADA was esteemed at 36 cents, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has vacillated by 0% in a genuinely huge manner. A month prior, on April 16th, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at 45 cents. Hence, the coin has made a 19.86% move to arrive at its especially present standing. Or so they thought. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main variable that we really consider while making the cost forecast. It means a lot to watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to in a real sense have in every practical sense clear perspective on where the market is going in every way that really matters, significant way. This truly specific most certainly metric really is likewise used to check the predominance of Cardano corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. To fundamentally decide the especially current market capitalization of ADA, we duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will be basically made sense of later, by the essentially present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, or so they most certainly thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano remains at $12670727984, which shapes the reason for especially present positioning was referenced before. Yesterday, on May 15th, ADA had a market capitalization of $12920516290 in an unobtrusive manner. Keep going week. On May 9th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $12743506000. A month prior, on April 16th, the market worth of Cardano was evaluated to basically be $1575684829829, which essentially is very critical. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can generally be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers. This measurement likewise calculates the coins that generally have been transitioned away from through the interaction called consuming, which especially is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the really complete stockpile of Cardano is laid out at 3579394686388. Finally, the circling supply is utilized to ascertain the market capitalization and survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions, or so they basically thought. It means the general measure of ADA that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly especially put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large sort of accepted that digital currencies that certainly have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation since they for the most part are generally truly prone to see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, Cardano sort of has a flowing inventory of 34852572704 coins. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the mark of $174,860,003. Yesterday, on May 15th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame fundamentally remained at $122,893,573. 7 days prior, on May 9th, how much ADA that was traded between market members was assessed at $327,513,276 in an essentially significant manner. Presently comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto instability record, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Cardano will truly follow over the especially next 1 to 5 years. 114 especially is the consequence of the fastidious work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a sort of exceptional recipe for measuring and envisioning the normal market unpredictability, and enhanced it with the creative profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to convey the best Cardano cost expectation in the business. Tomorrow, on May 17th, Cardano will answer the exchanging action with a 0.62% move that will at last in a real sense take the cost to the 36 cents level. In 7 days, the cost of Cardano will commonly raise a ruckus around town mark as the consequence of a 24.77% move amazingly. In 30 days, ADA will approach the 40 cents level inside a 10.50% cost modification, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In a half year, Cardano will end up at 49 cents as the cost will move by 36.36%. In 1 year, the cost of the coin being referred to will move to 33 cents as a result of a 7.63% cost change. As currently referenced, 114 has been improved to conjecture the cost of ADA for a 5-year skyline, an accomplishment that other cost expectation benefits basically can't offer. 5 years Cardano forecast outline that 114 predicts that in 2 years, Cardano will essentially lay out a traction at 51 cents after a 42.47% cost change in an unobtrusive manner. In 3 years, ADA will show up at the 56 cents cost level in a 56.72% move amazingly. In 4 years, merchants will see Cardano at 62 cents, which comprises a 72.39% cost shift. In 5 years, ADA will for the most part be exchanged at 68 cents after taking a 89.63% action from its ongoing position, which really is very huge. And digital money markets offer different open doors for sort of benefit making through exchanging or long-haul venture. However, it's important to generally recollect that they are as yet going through the development stage, which truly implies that we could observe a sort of outrageous unpredictability and startling cost swings on some random day, which is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, our Cardano cost expectation model considers all especially potential dangers and cost-shaping elements to guarantee that the conjectures stay as exact as conceivable much over the 5-year stretch in an unpretentious manner. We don't offer exhortation with respect to when to explicitly enter the ADA market or how certainly much money to dedicate. You should do it at extremely your own carefulness. The expectation gives the overall thought of the continuous improvements available and its course soon and in every practical sense, significant way.